Exactly.
All right, a lot on our plates. Thanks, Miles. With all the excitement of being pregnant and having a baby comes some side effects women are not so excited about. Eyewitness News anchor Linda Halligan joins us now and explains. Linda?
When a woman announces that she's having a baby, friends and family immediately start planning a shower, suggesting baby names, and shopping for pink or blue. But it's the stuff you don't hear much about that affects pregnant women all over the world. And the future mom in our story, you might just recognize. Seeing them sleep, grabbing their tiny feet, and watching them grow. This is what most moms-to-be dream of. But conveniently missing from those dreams, varicose veins, spider veins, and stretch marks. Just ask future mom, Eyewitness News anchor, Amity Idrisi.
Now, how did you feel when you first found out that you were pregnant?
I was scared. I was really scared, but I was excited too. It was amazing. It's
not as amazing? The body changes Amity is noticing.
This is just how my body is. I'm not 22 anymore.
Here's the good news. There are things you can do to deal with these unsightly or uncomfortable changes.
Prevention and treatment are now the name of the game, and that's why we're talking more and more about it now.
So let's get into it. Veins. What you may not know is that varicose veins and spider veins are not the same thing.
Varicose veins are deeper veins deep in your skin, and spider veins are small spider leg looking veins right underneath your skin.
Both can be prevented. Dr. Shah suggests buying compression maternity stockings.
They provide compression on your outer leg so that the veins can't form. Another way to prevent these is to keep your legs elevated.
One more thing you can do to prevent varicose veins and spider veins is to kick off your heels and put on flats, taking as much pressure off your feet as possible. Ready to talk stretch marks? They're caused when the elasticity of your skin can't handle the amount of stretch put on it.
What you see is the epidermis and the dermis of the skin actually tearing apart from each other and thinning out.
Dr. Shah suggests preventing stretch marks in the first place.
One thing that you can do is minimize the amount of stretching on the skin by watching your weight and exercising during pregnancy. Another thing that you can do is to moisturize your skin to help it slide better.
Amity's been using vitamin E oil to hydrate her skin.
I was just rubbing it on so I don't get stretch marks.
The third thing you can do is wear a special girdle, particularly helpful while you're sleeping.
They make much cuter ones, actually.
They're cuter ones?
Yeah. Spanx makes a good one.
The girdle supports your back, but also wraps around your abdomen, holding your skin together in the front. It should cover the baby, but not push it in.
I'm getting used to a lot of things like eating.
Regardless of all the changes Amity is going through, this mom-to-be says this is the most incredible thing that could ever happen.
Knock on wood, so far it's been a good pregnancy, and I feel really blessed.
Aww, you make me cry. So exciting.
Aww.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Amity's been one of my best friends for 7 years, so I was glad that I got to do the story.
No, it means a lot to me.
Definitely. Well, I guess you can stand up now.
Yeah, I've been hiding behind the desk, but here it is.
It's been a secret. The secret is out now. How's that girdle working out for you?
That girdle, it's so... Oh, I have to do the profile.
That's
there we go.
How many months are
you? No paparazzi, by the way.
No paparazzi. I'm about 6 months. I'm 6 months.
How cute you are.
I keep forgetting the weeks. I'm not good at that.
That's all right. 6 months. That's pretty close.
Now,
we should mention you met your husband here at Eyewitness News.
I did.
The first time you were here.
Yes, it's truly an Eyewitness News baby. He was our producer, and I was a producer, and
you're another producer. Different kind.
Producing a baby.
Exactly.
And your cravings, Amity?
Pasta and sweets.
Pasta. It's all about Luigi.
In and out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any advice for other first-time moms?
You know what? I would say the one thing that was hardest for me, because it's such a big deal, I would just say give yourself a break. I mean, there's so much information out there you're constantly flooded with. Even here when we're doing stories on the health alert and everything, it's this, it's that, it's the other. Just give yourself a break. It's all going to be okay, I think. You know, just healthy, go to the doctor, but give yourself a break otherwise.
You don't realize how exhausting it is just telling me I'm just walking somewhere after a while.
Yeah, it is.
You got to sit down and rest.
I do. I barely make it through the newsroom.
Yep.
You need to rest more, though, I have to say.
Yes.
I mean, this girl, she's running around like a crazy person. Yeah, rest a little bit more.
We're going to rest a little more, especially getting sick in the holidays.
Oh, yeah. Well, be careful. Congratulations. So excited for you.
Thank you for doing it.
Can't wait to meet the little girl or boy.
It's
there we go.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'll show the Eyewitness News baby reveal.
Very cool. I'll give you your computer back.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
And Amity. Earlier tonight on Eyewitness News at 5, we announced the exciting news that Amity This lady here is expecting her first child. Give it up. Eyewitness News anchor Linda Halligan accompanying Amity to a doctor's appointment recently and got the lowdown on body changes first-time moms-to-be may be noticing. Stretch marks, varicose veins, for example, can be prevented, but if you're a woman who's already had a child, you may be experiencing a problem with loose skin.
Loose skin is tough to get rid of. Weight loss and exercise definitely helps. However, the best way to get rid of it, if you've done all that and it's just not going away, is to do a tummy tuck.
Dr. Shah says not many women will notice loose skin after their first or second pregnancy, but the more pregnancies you have, well, the chance of getting loose skin increases.